Hello everyone, through this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use two numbers of 2450 for characterization of transistor or 3-terminal devices. In this setup now I have used one 2450 and one number of 2460. We can use two number of 2450 or two number of 2460 also. So for doing so, what I have done is I have used 2450 which I connected to the computer using simple USB port, and I have connected 2450 and 2460 together using simple Ethernet cable. So you can see it here. I have used simple Ethernet crossover cable to connect 2450 and 2460, and 2450 is through this USB port. I have connected it to my laptop. For doing so, you have to make sure all the firmware should be same. You can cross check using menu and information. You can see both are 1.3. So now I'm going to open software Kickstart. It's taking some time. Now it open. I'm going to create one project. I'm calling it as a trans. I'm going to select the instrument. When I'm saying select instrument, only one instrument is going to appear here. I'm going to add this instrument. So I'm saying it now select test. I'm selecting IV characterization. Before doing so, in 2450 and 2460 master slave combination, what I did, I went to menu. In communication, the instrument which has been connected to the laptop, I have specified it as a node 1, while the instrument which we have connected as a slave is having a node 2. With this setup, now you can see on my screen that this instrument is having channel 1 and channel 2. So channel 1, I'm going to use it as a stepper, where I'm going to start from 0 to 5 volts with the step voltage of 1 volt, and this is I'm going to apply at a gate. So I'm going to measure the gate voltage as well as gate current. For SMU2, I'm going to sweep from 0 to 5 volts. In this case, make sure that current limit is sufficient. Here also I'm going to measure the voltage and current, and now I'm going to define my graph. So my graph here, it's going to be drain voltage, which is at SMU2, versus drain current, which is again SMU2. Now I'm going to connect a simple device. So this is my FED, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect (2450) high to gate terminal of FET. (2450) low to source, 2460 high to drain terminal, and 2460 low to again my source. Now connection is done. You can see I have connected it, and now I'm going to start just by putting execute button. can see both the screens are active. It's sweeping the voltage, and you can see on a screen, yes, there is a little bit damping, but this is at 0 volt. You can see the transfer characteristics is coming. Yes, connections are not good, so that's the reason initially there will be a little bit shift. This is third gate voltage, which is 2. This is for fourth. Gate voltage is 4. Here you can see there is no problem, it's coming very good. And one more last graph for gate voltage 5. So from this video you can see that two numbers of 2450 we can utilize for the measurement. We can save this graph or data in Excel format or CSV format just by clicking it here. You can define where you want to save the data, or if you want to have a graph, you can directly save the graph also. You can open this data. This is my saved graph, and this is my data sheet.